In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the version of DaVinci Resolve you are currently using. Knowing the exact version of your software can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're troubleshooting, need to ensure compatibility with certain plugins, or simply want to stay up to date with the latest features. So let's dive right in. First things first, for those of you who already have DaVinci Resolve open on your computer, you will notice that the current version of the software is conveniently displayed on the bottom left corner of your screen. It's very straightforward, right? This is a quick and easy way to catch the version at a glance, especially if you just need to confirm which version you're running. However, if you need more specific details about the version, such as the build number, these can be found by taking a slightly deeper dive into the menu options. So let's walk through how you can access all that specific information. Near the top of your screen, you'll find the menu bar. Among the various options listed here, look for DaVinci Resolve. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu with several choices. From this menu, select About DaVinci Resolve. Clicking this option will open a new window with detailed information about your software, including the exact version number and build details. This window provides a complete version report, which is invaluable for identifying the release you are working on. This is particularly important if you ever need to reach out to tech support or seek out troubleshooting advice from forums, as the more details you can provide, the better tailored help you can potentially receive. Now, a quick word of advice: regularly checking and knowing your software version is a good habit to develop. DaVinci Resolve updates can introduce new features, fix bugs, or improve performance, so keeping your version up to date can enhance your editing experience. Plus, if you ever engage in collaborative projects, knowing your version can help ensure compatibility with other team members and their workflows. Finally, if you're on the lookout for updates, you can often find the latest version directly on the official DaVinci Resolve or Blackmagic Design website. Checking their announcements or community forums can also be beneficial, offering insights into what's new or what's scheduled for future updates. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily determine the exact version of DaVinci Resolve you're working with. This knowledge ensures that you stay informed about your software's capabilities and are able to troubleshoot any potential issues more efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.